Hello everyone. The purpose of today's video is to discuss how to use your File Explorer and to see how you can use it to get more information about files that are already on your computer. Now for this assignment, you've been asked to discover some of the different extensions that are used for files, and the extensions tell you what programs it will open and that type of thing. One way you can do it is to do a Google search. By searching through the internet, you will find lots of sites that explain what different extensions are. The other way to do it, which might be more interesting, is to see what different file types you have on your computer already. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to open up the File Explorer. And you'll find that in your taskbar. Once you've opened that, the first thing you're going to see is this quick access menu. You'll notice that there's the folders and files that you access them, or sorry, the folders only, no files, that you access the most frequently there. I'm going to go to Documents, and I'm going to go to Files from my old desktop. So when you get to your different files, you're going to have it organized using different size icons or lists. So for example, right now I am viewing by small icons. You might have your setting as view with extra large icons. You might even have your settings where you're seeing the details, which actually will give you a little extra information. So I can see that this file was modified in December, and it's a Word document. So depending on how you have it laid out, you may have some information already, but in order to get the most amount of information, what you want to do is you want to open up the Properties tab. So to do that, you're going to right-click on the one that you want to look at. So if I'm looking through the files I have, I'm quite familiar with PDFs and their extensions and what they're used for. I know what a Word document is, and I'm used to the .doc files. But for example, this one, the icon is a little pylon. That's not as common, so perhaps this would be a good one to demonstrate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click, click on the Properties tab, and it'll give me a bunch of information about this file. So what I can see is that this file was created in January. I can see that it was modified in February and that I have accessed it recently, which would be right now. So it also tells you what it can open with. And right now, this is the default program that it opens with. You can always change that in here as well. So maybe I like Windows Media Player, so I could have it default to open with Windows Media Player. The purpose of this exercise, however, is to find that file extension. So you'll see that up here. So the type of file is here, and your extension is here. There's also more information along the back. You can put passwords in, and it gives you extra details and other versions that might have been created. I've never really used those tabs much, but they are there if you want to kind of explore. I think that's everything for right now. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know.